welcome back to Kylie's Corner. Today, I'm gonna be making some lip balm. Like, if you saw my last videos, I made one. It was like a coconut oil one. I'm gonna show you in the book. The coconut oil lip balm. But today, I'm doing a different one. So I'm doing a pretty and pink one. So instead of like pink, my mom let me use her older one. I think it looks nice. This is the color. It looks pretty, huh? If you take a closer look, there's like some glitter on it. So we're ready to start. We're gonna start by grabbing this. This is good. And there's also some on the back. I might get a little messy, guys. And now I'm gonna need beeswax. Grab all of that in here. Alright, let's go. Let's scrape. So now I'm gonna grab a chunk. How am I gonna do that? Oh, I'm gonna use this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna grab one more just in case if it is. Right. So guys, I'm gonna put it in the microwave 30 seconds. And I'll come back to you guys to see how we did. Alright, so I just melted it. You're obviously gonna need help because this could be really hot. It depends on your microwave. Like, everyone's kind of different. And if I'm touching it, I'm definitely gonna need the gloves, but I won't be. So let's see how it goes. You go like touching it, it's because it's really hot. Like, I'm stirring like the lipstick, beeswax, and the coconut. I just want to see what it looks like. Oh, nice and pretty. Alright, so now it's like to cool down. So now we're gonna put it in this mold and let's let it cool down for a little. And then I'm gonna take it out and then put it on this. Put it on. Then close it. I'm gonna open it back up. Try it out. So let's see how it goes.
Slowly.
Oh, it's about to explode, I think. Oh, I think it's good. Alright. You see, it's like a pretty color, huh?
That was that lipstick.
The lipstick. Nice. Which, if you're wondering why it kind of looks chunky, it's because I used 2 scoops. Like small ones. Now,
we wait for it to dry.
Yep. So, while my lip gloss cools down, let's play a game. So, you know, kind of like the thing. I'm gonna do that, so now close your eyes. And now I'm gonna mix them all up. And now guess which one it is then.
Yellow.
No. If you pick the pink one, you're also wrong. If you pick the green, you're correct. Alright, so now my things all cool down. It's kind of warm. Alright, so now I'm gonna put this onto my bottom. Alright, so now, put that, push it, and see if it's enough. Now, that is how you make a pretty shimmery lip balm. Perfect. Nice. Thumbs up. If you like my videos, like, subscribe, and comment. Bye-bye. See you in my next video.